Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can convert your images into PDF. For example, if you have different images, for now I have a logo. Here you can see that one. It is like different logos, and sending each logo to the client is like annoying for the client. But what we are going to do here, we are going to make a PDF, and it will be one PDF, and we are going to set that to the client. Okay, now what I'm going to do, we are going to select like each image here, and I'm going to select, for example, these images, and now right click on that images, and you cannot see that the option here, but once you click on show more option, it will display all the options here, and we need that print option. Click on print option. You have different option here. If your printer is connected, remember that you have to select the printer here, otherwise it will print from your printer itself, and you will then get these images on the paper. Therefore you have to like click on the Microsoft Print to PDF. We need that one. Okay, now the size and the quality, whatever you want, and here is different option for that one. For example, I'm going to select 22 or 44, whatsoever you are going to do that one. Now see, it is looking very nice. But if I have to like make 22, maybe this one, and it is like some sort of 5 pages, you can see that, and copy of each one, and that is like fit image. You can see that the difference, but I need that fit picture to frame. Now what we are going to do, finally we click on print, and here you are going to say that logo for client, and logo for client, and press then save, and it will save your each PDF file, and it is in download. We are going to click, and it is like a logo for client. Now double click on that one, and you can see that beautifully it has been created, and you can send that to the client anytime with this type of presentation. And that is how you are going to do that one. I hope you like that video. If you like, just don't forget to subscribe, and also if you have a question, just write that in comment box below. Thank you everyone, have a nice day.